hungry right now. I want some food. So yeah. Oh, hi everyone. I'm back with another YouTube video, and today I am going to be showing you guys what's in my diving bag. So this is my diving bag, my lovely diving bag, and I'm gonna show you guys like what's inside and what I have and what I use it for. So on the outside of my bag, I have these tags that I get from competitions. Yeah, and I also have this dirt bag right here. People like sometimes use it for like their swimsuits, like after they change and put it in there, but I don't. I put my wrist guards and my chamois in here. So here's my chamois. It has my name, and I use my chamois for diving to like dry off my legs so I don't slip. And I have 2 wrist guards, but I usually use one. Like you can see, one is more worn out than the other, and I put them on my left wrist, not risk, wrist. I only use them for platform, not springboard diving. Platform, because like platform is like higher than springboard. Yeah. Yeah. And I have a pocket right here, and I have some cash in case I get hungry. I get hungry like really fast. So some cash in case I want food. And in this pocket, I usually put my phone too. Like, cause it's really easy to grab and just, it's a perfect size for your phone. And then on this side of the bag, I also have another pocket. I have a pin right here. It says diving sign. Basically, I love diving, basically. Yeah. I don't know why I didn't put heart. Yeah, I made that pin in school in one of my elective classes. So now in this pocket, I have a bunch of rubber bands because I need a lot of rubber bands. I like lose them so much. And they break sometimes. Like, I used to like just put 2 rubber bands in my hair, but now I have to like put 3. And then I have my wet brush. My brushy brush. And yeah, my wet brush. And I have a pen. I don't know why I have a pen. I have a pen. Probably because there was this one time I had to like fill out some forms for like diving, and they sometimes don't have pens. Like it's either someone using all the pens or they're all out of ink. So I have my own. Under my dirt bag there is another pocket. Yeah. Right here it says this Speedo is another pocket. I have my adhesive tape. I just call it tape, and it's waterproof. I use this when I have like, you know, if there's like a cut on my finger and I have a band-aid, usually the band-aid falls off, so I use tape to like just wrap it around so my band-aid won't fall off and I won't have an infection. Yay. Okay, so on the very bottom Here's another pocket. I use that for my swimsuits, like either after competition or practice, I change. I put my wet swimsuit down there. Yes, sir. Now into the big pocket. Okay. So in my big pocket, I have this. What's inside of this? A bunch of stuff. Okay, so I have, this is from a hotel. It's a conditioning shampoo. From a hotel, but I don't know what hotel. I think I was at a competition. Okay, and then I have another conditioner. And then I have a shampoo. And then my body wash. And I have this thingy-majiggy. Inside here is aloe vera. Aloe vera, oh my god. It's the most important thing. Because after competitions or like long practices, like you can get sunburnt. My face, like one time I got so sunburnt. I like turned like so tan, very tan. Here, I'll put a picture here of myself very tan, and like I got very sunburnt. And yeah, aloe vera, really useful. And then I have Band-Aids in case I cut myself. Band-Aids. And so that is what is in this thingy-majiggy, this pouch. Yeah. 2 waters for myself. No, I usually bring my water bottle, my hydro flask, but sometimes I ran out of water, so I bring 2 extra waters. And in this big gigantic pocket, I usually pack a towel, and behind this bag there's another big pocket right here. Voila. Yeah! I have this thing. It's like we use this for like to sit on if you don't want to sit on the dirty floor, you know, or like if you don't have like a mat and we have to do like some warm-ups or conditioning, we use this. Very handy on. Speedo, dive on. Dive in. So thank you guys so much for watching what was in my diving bag. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe down below. Thank you. Bye.